Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how you can create your own Flash USDT. These Flash USDT stays forever in the wallet and has no limited time. It can be swapped to any other USDT network like TRC20 and can be sent to all different wallets, including Trust Wallet and Binance. You can use it on betting platforms, and you can withdraw the profits. It supports all gambling services like Stake, BC Game, all games from Limbo to Crash, and even Chicken Road. First, go to remix.ethereum.org. You'll need at least 0.03 Ethereum, which is currently about $60, considering that 1 Ethereum costs roughly $2,000. Click Create, then New File, and name the file USDT. Then copy the code from sites.google.com/view/sendflash. You'll find the link in the description. Select all the code and copy-paste it. Open the Compiler tab and click Compile. Then go to Deploy and Run Transactions. Under Environment, choose Wallet Connect and connect your MetaMask wallet. You can check your wallet has been connected. Now, click on Deploy. In the confirmation window, set the maximum fee to 1 and confirm in your wallet. Once deployment is finished, the contract address will appear under Deployed Contracts. Copy the contract address. Go to etherscan.io and paste the address to verify that all the details are correct. Now you need to send to your contract at least 0.03 Ethereum. That will give you about 30,000 Flash. You can generate more Flash USDT by using more Ethereum. In this example, I will use 0.05 Ethereum. That will give around 70,000 Flash. When the transaction is confirmed, you'll see the balance on Etherscan. You can also check the balance in Remix. Click on Show Balance to check it. Next, click on Generate and Transact. Set the max fee to 1 again and confirm in your wallet. When it succeeds, click on Payout. Adjust the max fee once more to 1 and confirm. Now, the Flash USDT will appear in your wallet. You can swap them or send to any other wallet and use it on gambling platforms. Let's try to swap it to USDC. You can also swap to TRC20 network. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!